Aku por waklat ka belenda te. Ye bro sangut yara Ïakynduh tungka. Tang bopet mentah buat ufrai dia. Kam no ka ching chat am. Tip syuk kan long kom na lada. Yap sama na mana ni.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Manus nam daki lakbon ki bakwa penpinda ke MBBS Jingïakynad ki bapas ke admission ke lapli ha Emmanuel Coaching Academy lepi join menta pinyo ki kot bat ki e-materials kin don ru ki mock test ban pen kraya pi na benda ke NEET.
Menteri Rangba Kajala Conrad Kisakma, Menteri Rangba Kajala Assam, Himata Biswa Sharma, Jingïakynduh Agati Assam, Hak Kundai Trek Jumang Aja Penriu, Kila Menjer Penbet, Pen Weng no, Jingïakynad Belamat, Teki Pajba Hakasnong Lapangap, Kasnong Lapangap, Hapo Uput Usam, Jongka West Jangta Hills District, Bat Kabadan, Hakaput Jongka Jala Assam. Hau Kuro Belapa, Shakilap Sai Kubur, Menteri Rangba Kajala, Conrad Kisangma, Ulai Tu, Jingïakren Kalong Kabasaiso, Baula Kontu Yaki Pajba, Yaki Opisar, Nabaro Artli Kajala, Banyak Trilang, Nakbantaban Penkutno, Iki Jingïakynad Hakasnong Lapangap.
We met Honorable Chief Minister of Assam in his office chamber in Guwahati, and the main purpose of our visit was to discuss the ongoing situation in Lapangap that's happening right now along the Assam-Meghalaya border. And as you know that there's been a lot of concerns about it, and for the last many days and in fact weeks, we have been trying to bring the different stakeholders together to resolve the issue and to find a way forward. And we had a very, very positive and a very constructive meeting. Other officials from both the state governments, including district officials, were present, and we have worked out some measures which could help us diffuse the situation, and our officials concerned will be taking steps in the next few days to try and resolve the issue. And through this particular message, I also would like to urge the people also and officials and all the stakeholders from both sides that we should work to make sure that we are able to resolve the problem. We should work in a positive manner, and we should work in a constructive manner and trust each other and work in such a manner that we can find not just a solution for the short term but also in the long run. And we have also decided that once the Assam government is fully in place in terms of all the different cabinet ministers, once the oath is taken place, that the discussions further on the larger context of the border issue will take place then. So we will take a call at that point in time for the larger context. But today's meeting was limited to the Lapangap issue, and we are very hopeful, as I said, that we should be able to resolve the situation, and we seek cooperation from all stakeholders at this point in time.
Fourth, we are meeting in meeting Shillong. You are going elsewhere.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside we laugh and sing. we share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.